Hey everybody, JC Hildebrand from Moto USA. I'm here in Ashland, Oregon. It's just a short distance from our headquarters in Medford, and I'm visiting a company that's been quietly going about the business of changing the face of ATVs. And by quietly, I mean they're literally going about it silently. This is the Barefoot Motors M1, and it's an ATV that uses electric power. You can't tell if it's on or if it's off. It's very groundbreaking in terms of the performance and the opportunities it provides ATV users. The thing about this ATV is that it's based on utility work. It's not something that you're going to go out and race around, but that's probably more suitable to the type of people who are interested in electric technology. And since we don't know a whole lot about this, it's a new field and we're just as new to it as a lot of you viewers are, we're going to go ahead and take it for a spin. We're going to get some work gloves and a helmet and see if we can't find out just what this thing can do and give you an introduction to Barefoot Motors. Climb on.
My name is Max Shader-Biachine. I'm the CEO and founder of Barefoot Motors. We're based here in Ashland, Oregon, and we set out to show that the electric vehicle technology is much further along than people were being led to appreciate. The strength of the electric vehicle technology is about power, and a lot of the off-road applications need power. If you look at what's out there today, most locomotives are electric drive. Most forklifts are electric drives, mining equipment's electric drives, so we thought there's no reason why other utility vehicles shouldn't be electric drive. Our target market was initially farmers, agriculture. Vineyards are a great user of ATVs, but as we've built and started talking to potential customers, we found that the customer base is much wider. It's basically anyone who manages land. It could be a resort that needs it for off-road maintenance and work in the early mornings, and they don't want to disturb the guests. It's for the state parks, the managed land. They can maintain their trails without disturbing the hikers and the wildlife and without the emissions. The agriculture, vineyards use the ATVs to tow their sprayers, to harvest their grapes. And they tend to go at 5 miles an hour, and where do the fumes go on the vehicles? They go right into people's face, and with our ATV you don't have that.
My name is Dave. I'm an engineer at Barefoot here and responsible for the basic design of the machine.
We just started producing the vehicles. Our first vehicles went out in July, and we have great reception and great interest in the vehicles, and we're pretty excited. And now it's about making people aware that we have a product out there. What we think we've done well is integrate the latest technology into our vehicle. We have the best chemistry for our batteries. It's a lithium iron phosphate chemistry. We use what we think are the best motors in the market. We have the best chargers, best battery management systems. It's not just about what's best, but what's most cost effective. And we think we've done a good job of integrating that into our vehicle.
One of the things Barefoot is so proud about is that this is really simple to use. It uses 2 handbrakes, and then over here is a really simple control unit, engine kill switch, lights, it's got a horn, and then this is something that toggles through your display on this small dashboard mounted computer. It monitors different levels of battery charge, and it also moves on to options that show you how much it's regenerating once the throttle is off. The throttle over here is just like a regular thumb operated throttle. The motor isn't as sensitive to throttle input as a gas powered machine, but it's definitely pretty standard stuff. 4-wheel, 2-wheel selection. Here's the heart and soul of it. You got a key that goes on and off. All you do is turn that thing on and the motor's running. This is your forward and reverse selection. Here is a simple lighter style outlet. And we're off.
We have a lot of local content. 96% of the components that you see here are from North American suppliers. 47% of our components are from Oregon-based suppliers, and that's really important. It's about being local and supporting the community. We want to help support the farmers. They have no green transportation alternatives. We want to help our business community here in Oregon. I live in an area where I see and hear gas ATVs all the time, and I said we should make them electric. And that way we can bring the latest technologies, integrate them in a vehicle, and get them out so that people can see the merits of electric vehicles.
Well, for a company like Barefoot Motors, gas-powered engines are going to be a thing of the past. As far as they're concerned, the only thing this thing's good for is scrap metal.